Have you ever thought of eating flowers? Yes, you heard it right, flowers. Beyond mere decoration, edible flowers infuse dishes with unique flavors and aesthetics. There's a whole blossom buffet out there, tasty, nutritious, and safe to consume. So let's dive in to discover the world of edible flowers. There is a wide variety of edible flowers that you can use in your culinary creations. Let's start with nasturtiums. Their vibrant colors not only add a splash of beauty to your dishes, but they also come with a peppery taste akin to watercress. They're a great source of vitamin C and are known for their antimicrobial properties. Next, we have marigolds. These golden beauties have a slightly citrusy flavor and they're packed with antioxidants. And then there are violets. These delicate, sweet flowers are often used in desserts and are rich in vitamins A and C. These are just a few examples, and there are many more edible flowers out there waiting to be discovered. Now that we know about these edible flowers, how do we use them in cooking? They can be quite versatile. Think of garnishing salads with vibrant nasturtiums or enhancing sauces with subtly aromatic rose petals. Imagine a unique twist to desserts with a sprinkle of sweet violets. Remember, always wash them gently before use and opt for flowers that have been grown organically. So, next time you're in the kitchen, why not try adding some edible flowers to your dishes? The world of edible flowers is as fascinating as it is delicious. We've explored their varied types, each adding a unique flair to your dishes. They're not just visually appealing, but they also offer a creative way to enhance the taste of your food. From nasturtium's peppery kick to the sweet notes of violets, edible flowers are the secret ingredient you never knew you needed. Thanks for joining us on this floral culinary journey. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and tasty content. Happy cooking!